Taxora. Clarity in tax. Ease in business. Corporate tax in the UAE is no longer optional. Yet many business owners still don't fully understand how the rules actually work. This confusion is already causing late registrations, penalties, and costly mistakes that could have been avoided. In this video, I'm going to share 10 important corporate tax rules in the UAE that most people don't talk about clearly. These are not shortcuts or loopholes. They are real rules written into the law that many businesses misunderstand or completely overlook. If you run a business in the UAE, operate through a free zone, or earn income from structured business activities, this video is extremely important for you. Corporate tax applies based on specific conditions, not assumptions, and relying on outdated advice or incomplete information can quickly put your business at risk. Let's go through these rules one by one in clear and simple terms. Corporate tax registration is mandatory even if your business is not making a profit. Many people assume that corporate tax applies only when there is profit. That is incorrect. If your business is required to register, you must complete registration even if your income is low or your company is loss-making. Failure to register on time can still result in penalties. Free zone companies are not automatically exempt from corporate tax. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings in the UAE. Free zone businesses may qualify for a 0% tax rate only if specific conditions are met. If those conditions are not met, the standard corporate tax rate may apply. Simply being registered in a free zone does not guarantee exemption. 0% corporate tax does not mean zero compliance. Even if your business qualifies for a 0% tax rate, compliance obligations still exist. This includes maintaining proper accounting records and filing corporate tax returns when required. Many free zone companies face penalties because they incorrectly assume that no filing is necessary. Related party transactions are closely monitored under corporate tax rules. Transactions between connected businesses or related parties must follow arm's-length principles. If pricing is not justified or documented properly, adjustments may be made by the authorities. This is an area where many small and medium-sized businesses make costly mistakes. Corporate tax applies based on business activity, not just company registration. If an individual earns income through structured and continuous business activities, corporate tax rules may still apply. This includes certain consulting, professional, or commercial activities conducted regularly. Corporate tax is not limited to companies alone. Not all expenses are deductible under corporate tax. Only expenses incurred wholly and exclusively for business purposes are allowed. Personal expenses mixed with business expenses can create serious compliance issues. This is why clear expense classification is extremely important. Record keeping is not optional under corporate tax. Businesses must maintain proper accounting records and supporting documentation. Poor record keeping increases the risk of penalties and audits. This requirement applies regardless of the size of the business. Corporate tax rules in the UAE continue to evolve. Guidelines, clarifications, and implementation details are updated regularly. Relying on outdated information can lead to incorrect decisions. Staying informed is critical for compliance. Penalties under corporate tax are not limited to tax payments alone. Late registration, incorrect filings, and non-compliance can all result in fines. Even businesses with low or no tax liability can still face penalties. Understanding obligations early helps avoid unnecessary costs. Corporate tax planning in the UAE is about compliance, not avoidance. The tax system is designed to be transparent and structured. Proper planning focuses on understanding obligations, maintaining documentation, and complying with the law. Shortcuts usually lead to problems later. These are some of the most important corporate tax rules in the UAE that businesses often overlook. Understanding them early can save time, money, and stress. If you want clear and practical guidance on corporate tax and business compliance in the UAE, subscribe to Taxora. New videos are published every week to help you stay informed and compliant.